Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SNSS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume. Unfortunately, it was in the bearish direction. But now from a trading standpoint, a very interesting setup has taken place here. Now, this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. But if you have traded for a while, I'm sure you've seen situations where the price just gets really, destroyed. And then the problem is it just continues to bleed and bleed and bleed the rest of the day. Like I said, I'm sure a lot of you have seen that if you've traded long enough. But in this situation, that didn't happen. The price got destroyed, but all of a sudden it just went sideways. Now, don't get me wrong, and I really wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because the price went sideways after getting just pummeled to the downside does not mean that, hey, for sure, guaranteed, this is the bottom and that there's a bounce coming. My core point here is that at least it's a rational thought to have that, you know what, maybe, just maybe, this is some sort of bottom that's forming. There might be some sort of, bounce in the near future. And that is also why this area here at 16 cents is so important, just because, well, by definition, if this is some sort of bottom that's forming, well, you don't want to see the price going lower. Well, lower compared to what? Lower compared to that 16-cent mark. So as long as the price can stay above there, again, doesn't guarantee anything, but it makes it a more than valid thought that, hey, maybe this is some sort of bottom that's forming. Now, in the event this is a bottom and the price decides it wants to start to bounce, let's talk about a couple of areas of resistance. First key area of resistance on any sort of bounce, going to be right up there at the 19-cent mark. And then after 19 cents, next key level would be right up here around the 21-cent mark. So 19, 21, two key battlegrounds to watch moving forward if there is any sort of, like I said, attempted bounce to the upside. But yeah, crazy movement to the downside, and sometimes these can really produce some big snapback type bounces. So let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.